This is HarryMan196, and this is how you get your brothers mad. First, switch hands. Can we change to our shooting hand? Take the Nerf gun. Take the Nerf gun. Cock it. Put in the bullet. See? Let's go get our brothers. Let's go get my bro mad. Brought to you by Dumb Cat. So dumb, you won't believe your eyes.
Luke, what the heck?
This is HarryMan196. Please subscribe. We eat cheeseburgers. Bum 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 bum.